Hello everybody. Welcome to English channel. Let's start. What I like to do on Sunday. I like Sundays. There are many things that I like to do on Sunday. I like to lay in bed and get up a little late. I cannot do that on a school day. I also like to play computer games and watch television. My dad allows me to play computer games on a Sunday. I get to play the game CDs that my friends have lent me or my dad has bought for me. I am so excited each time I play a new game. I like cartoons. I watch the Smurfs on television in the morning. On Sunday, I also like to go on an outing with my family. Sometimes we go to the zoo, the park, or the beach. I'm happy when it's Sunday. I get to do that I cannot or do not do on the other days. I can have more time to relax by engaging in my hobbies and by going on a family outing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment.